Hello guys, welcome back on today's video. This is the Ultimate Cosmos kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook my spinach in an African way. Like growing back in Africa, I saw my mom cooking vegetables, but now I'm in Australia and I'm going to try and do the same thing that she does back home. So I've got here some nice sliced onion. You can use any kind of onions that you want or any kind of onions that you have in your kitchen. I've got tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, it doesn't matter. And I've also got here some nice bunch of spinach, roughly chopped. And more to that, I've got here some tomato paste, which is going to give me a nice color. I've also got some ginger, crushed ginger and garlic, nice for that. And last thing, I've got here some chicken stock powder, some powdered chicken stock. So guys, without wasting much time, I'm just going to start on with my fire. So I've got my pot here. Yeah, I put in some vegetable oil. So I'm going to start with my onions. The next thing, my tomatoes. Now I add in my garlic and my tomato paste. Okay, now that my tomatoes and the onion and the garlic, tomato paste, they've been broken down and cooked. So what I have to do is I have to start adding my spinach into that. Now that my spinach has been broken down, I have to add my chicken stock powder now, all of that. Then I also season with some salt. Yeah. Then cover it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now at this point, it is ready. So okay, now that my spinach has been cooked, I have to bring it here. Look at that, guys. This is really nice. Alright guys, you can see my sauté spinach with tomatoes and onion. It's very easy and simple to make. For some of you who love chicken, either fish, meat, you can then cook your meat or your chicken or your fish and mix all together. But for me, I just want to leave it this way which is good for me, and I love it this way. So you can add any protein of your kind as you want it. Okay guys, see you and thank you. See you some other time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me a comment, give me your thought about this video. Thank you very much.